Want to justify text in Elementor and give your website a polished, professional look? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. But before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, open your browser and log into the admin panel of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages, then go to All Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created on your site. Choose the page you want to work on. Let's say I pick the Example page. Click on the Edit with Elementor button next to it. Once the Elementor editor loads up, click on the plus icon to add a new container. This will create a new section, and you'll see the sidebar switch to the Edit Text Editor panel. Under the Content tab here, you'll find a text field, but don't write anything in there. Just click on the Text button next to the Visual tab, then write or paste your text. Once you're done, switch back to the Visual tab to preview how it looks on the page. Now it's time to justify your text. Head over to the Style tab, and under the Alignment options, select Justify. It will make your text appear rich and professional, like the container is full and enriched with the text with no unnecessary blank space. Once you're happy with how the text looks, hit the Publish button in the top right corner and preview your page to see everything in action. So, excited to design like a pro? Elementor is my secret weapon. Use the affiliate link below to jump in and start creating now. That's it. Now your content is beautifully aligned and ready to impress your visitors. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.